Hey guys, this is a quick video about fixing the Shopify customer event web pixel URL. So since you are seeing this video, that's when you already know that we're doing. So I'm gonna just explain a little bit again. So we use the Shopify customer events for setting up the data layer, so we can set up the tracking inside the Google Tag Manager. So you can pass all of the data for data layer. So one of the issue that we face with this setup is that we see that in the URL we have data like web pixel and ID and everything, so we don't want it. And when we set up the tracking on the browser, like metapixel and data type and all other tracking, one of the issue that we see that the data is sending to the platform is the URL is a little bit broken. It's sending a weird URL, and which we don't want. So I'm going to share one of the easiest way to fix it, and we want to make sure that it's properly sending the actual URL rather than sending this messed up URL. So it caused a lot of issue when we see the data in the GA4. So here is the quick fix. So I'm going to attach this document in the video description. So you have to just copy this entire code, and you have to go to the customer events, and you have to select the environment. Then just before the tag manager, you have to put this code. Okay, I'm going to just get rid of all of these spaces. Then in the tag manager, since this is in the sandbox environment, we can make a preview using this DataLayer checker, but I'm not gonna do the entire thing. I'm gonna show you quickly. So we're gonna put this code. What this gonna do? It's gonna replace this messed up thing, and it's only gonna give us the actual URL that we see on the browser. And since it will be replaced in the backend, all of the pixel like metapixel and GA4 everything is working on the backend. It will also get the URL, the updated URL, and it doesn't reload the web page. It doesn't break anything. It's totally safe and it's really good. It's just a simple code, that's all. So you're gonna put before the tag manager. A lot of user put this code inside the data layer code, but this is a quick solution. You just put before everything and it just gets the data that is needed. Okay, so we have a custom HTML code in the tag manager, so we know that how does it working. So this is a custom code. It checks the page URL variable and it's pushed the data in the console. Then you can see this is the one, and it's currently getting this data. So you're gonna put this one in the top. We're gonna just click on save. Then we have another simple code in here, which is also gonna show the updated URL. So once you save it, just disconnect and connect it again so it can update quickly. And then let's reload the page. So yeah, there you can see we have this data that we're sending that from the backend on the sandbox, and you can see this is the updated URL on the sandbox, and this is the exact URL that we have on the top. This is the exact URL that tag manager is getting inside the Google Tag Manager, and inside that we have the metapixel, and you can see this is also getting our actual URL that we have in the current URL. So if you also go to the checkout, you can see that it's also working with checkout and all of the other thing as well, because in the checkout we have these query parameters. So you want to make sure that it doesn't remove inside the sandbox. So if we go there, you can see that it has the same thing that we have in here, so it's not changing anything. And here we have the data layer, we have all of the page details and all of the e-commerce and everything. Okay, so yeah, that's all. So let me know, do you think? If you have any question, feel free to text me. And okay, bye, have a good day.